Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at Beyblade Burst Turbo Slingshot. What is this thing called? Launcher. I don't even think it has a name on this. It just says Beyblade Burst Turbo. Oh, Precision Strike Launcher. Let me see if I can get. There we go. Precision Strike Launcher. Wow, like they couldn't put it on the front of the box here or anywhere up here. Even on the side, no. So they're showing that, hey, aim and attack. Launch right or left, rotation. So that target to launch. So it is a wind-up launcher. Hopefully it's not like that horrible wind-up launcher from the Beyblade Metal Saga series. You know, that one was just complete garbage. Because it was stupid. You put the bay in there, you wind it up, then you have to pull the string, then you have to push a little lever. It was like complete garbage. Like, is this a string bay? Is this a wind-up bay? What type of bay launcher is this, you know? Like, they didn't even know. They were like, okay, let's take this and let's, put a wind-up gimmick on there, and then, let's throw a string in there, and then let's put a little trigger on there, and let's call it, a Metal Saga bay launcher. People are like, what the F? How did HCU do this? They're like, okay, bay in, twist it, that's the wind-up part. But oh, wait. You have to push that little lever, pull the string, and then hit the string. It was like, what? Nah, just use the wire launcher. But yeah, this one, I'm not sure if it actually has a number. You know, like how most bays say, like, they're like TA 45 AB, something something. This one, I'm not seeing anything except for like over here where it says like E3630. But I don't believe that's like an actual bay number. Yeah, anyway, so let's check it out. So here's how it kind of comes. You got your cap that's all loose in there. There it is, all empty. Your launcher. Not really sure which way is the front or back, but there is the QR code. I'm guessing it goes this way. I know, maybe it goes this way because the letters actually go that way. Not really sure. I mean, if they could just put it somewhere like here or here, it would have been easier to figure out. So let's take their instructions. Kind of the same thing. Let's see here. They're just like, okay, insert the one-time snap. Precision straight launcher, left, right. What else is there? Activate swing start mode to ride the wheels and wash. Okay, nothing really great. Precision strike. Select right or left launch side. So it's supposed to be indicated by which one. For right spin, place it on the left side. For left spin, place it on the right side. Yada yada yada. Turn the top until it quits loudly. Pull the trigger and it fires. So just saying, take this and just say do it one time, but you can do it as many times as you want. Okay, now that's in. So let's see what side is this. So that's left. So I believe we would take it like this, put it on here, kind of try to line it up within those little grooves there, which it doesn't really want to line up right. and then give it a little twist.